Hi there, it's Wayne here from Deep Blue Ideas. I'm going to give you a quick overview of the new GameSalad Project Merger application been working on with Darren from Utopian Games. I thought I'd show you all the latest features and go over some of the questions I know were raised on the forums. So just a quick overview of the interface. I know Darren showed you some of the functionalities. What we have here is the ability to drag and drop your projects onto the interface here and have the projects merged together. I'll probably do that just as a overview very quickly for those who've probably not seen it. So for example, if we take a project here, I can drag and drop it in. I take another project, say the hockey game here. So what the actual application will do is extract any information it can find within each of the projects from the actors, the images, screenshots, etc, etc. You can also inspect the asset contents, so you can actually go through and look at all the PNG files and all the sound files that are inside there. And you see what's going on. You can do that for both of the projects, so assets in project 2 here. Okay, so you can zoom in and look around these things, look at them at actual size. You'll be able to export these out, open up in preview, etc. as well. Okay, so its most basic function is you can select the two projects as I've done here. And you can actually just merge the two together and create one united GameSalad project. So here we go. It's actually going through now. It creates a new project by merging all the XML data behind the scenes together cleanly into one. So if we just open this up now, what you'll see is here's the Geo War game here, and here's the hockey game here. So play the actual application. So the Geo War, it's all working, all the buttons are correct. There we go, getting killed nicely. Okay, obviously everything's okay, all the attributes are working. And I can also go over to the hockey game. I can say easy, not too hard. There you go. See, the computer wins. Okay, interestingly on this one, to answer somebody's question actually raised on the forum, you can actually see here where it says add your game information here. That's the actual incorrect graphic. So we're going to go back and we're going to fix this now. So, okay, don't save. Done. I'll get rid of that one. So what's happened is it's taken the images from the first project and merged them with the second project here. But obviously the names are overlapping. The names are actually clashing. So if you go into the advanced options here, you can actually rename duplicate images found within the two projects. Okay, so if I'll just rename these ones, and I'll just put IMG at the beginning, type anything I like there, and then I'll do another merge. So another look. Open this one up. Let's have a look this time. Okay, now we've got the actual correct image placed in the file. If I actually have a look inside the GameSalad project itself now, all my images should be IMG from the second project, and all the actors and attributes using them, prototypes, sorry, will all be using the correct graphics accordingly. IMG but medium. Okay. So obviously now you can actually merge different projects together that have got the same file names, different file names, mix the two together, etc., without worrying about them clashing together. Further on that point, as you may have noticed, some of those settings is what you can actually do is if you're having trouble with sound files clashing, you can rename them, or you can actually put a prefix in front of all your scene names as well. So if, for example, you've got one project that says scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and your second project have the same names, you could rename them. So in this case I'll keep them all renamed. And also what you can actually do is choose whether you want to bring in the actors, the scenes, or the attributes. Turning these settings on and off allow you to actually merge. For example, if you're working on a project with multiple people, you'll be able to say merge the two together, but don't merge the attributes, because we're both sharing the same game attributes from project 1. So if I just do some more another example just so you can see. So take a Kenny the Cow I did, Joe's excellent keyboard demo here, and we'll just merge these two together so you can see how straightforward it all is. There we go. Here's the two put together. So Kenny the cow. And the keyboard. I'll run that. Here we go. So here's Joe's excellent keyboard. Okay, so within the application itself, they're all fully merged. All the attributes from all the different projects have been put together. All the IDs and the XMLs have been resolved. Everything's unique within the file. It's wholly compliant with what GameSalad has set out to do. Yep, so there's no problems there. And obviously, I think, as Darren said before, you can merge multiple projects together. You can do different sharing of projects and merge them all back together at the end. Choose what you want to merge within the system, and it's kind of very flexible as well. There are a few caveats to this. I mean, I'll probably just create one here, just to create an example of a warning or a problem the system can give you. So I'm just going to open the game up here, and I'm going to change this one to iPad landscape, just as an example, and I'll save that back down. iPad demo. Here we go. I just needed an iPad file. I didn't have one in my demos. Okay, so if I drag this iPad demo over here now, I'll actually get a warning telling me the base project is iPhone, but the new project is actually iPad landscape. It'll still merge the two together. It's just a visual warning to let you know, look, you're going to have a look at this because something's not 100% correct in this. So, so I'll merge that with the joystick controller here. I'll merge that together. Like I said, there's a warning here. Open that up. It will still merge it all together from the base project, which was iPhone landscape. But the problem will be, obviously, that this scene is now an iPad. However, this scene, the original one, is iPhone. So you will have to go through and make some adjustments. But maybe in the future we'll maybe look to resolve some of them issues as well. So done. Okay then. So that's another overview of the GameSalad Project Manager. We hope to get it to you as soon as possible. Any news we have, either myself or Darren, will surely let you know as soon as we can. Okay, bye.